Do you know what's really in your McDonald's chicken nuggets? You might think it's just ground chicken, but the truth is far more complex. From mystery meat to engineered perfection, these nuggets undergo a fascinating transformation. In this video, we're taking you inside the McDonald's chicken nugget factory. You'll see firsthand how raw chicken becomes those iconic golden bites. Get ready to witness the high-tech machinery and precise engineering that turns a simple paste into perfectly formed nuggets. It's a process that's more intricate than you ever imagined. You might think chicken nuggets start with whole chicken breasts, but that's not the case. Let's take you inside the factory where it all begins. The process kicks off with whole chickens arriving at the facility. These birds aren't just any chickens, they're carefully selected and inspected for quality before they even make it through the door. But here's where things get interesting. The chickens aren't simply cut into nugget shapes like you might expect. Instead, they go through a complex grinding process that transforms the meat into a fine paste. This isn't your average chicken mince. It's a carefully engineered mixture designed for optimal flavor and texture. The paste isn't just chicken, though. It's a precise blend of white and dark meat, each chosen for its specific qualities. White meat brings that lean protein content, while dark meat adds richness and juiciness. You'd be amazed at the precision involved in this step. Every batch is tested for the right consistency, ensuring that each nugget will have that signature McDonald's taste and mouthfeel. But what about the real chicken content? Believe it or not, the paste is typically only 45 to 50% chicken. The rest is a combination of water, binders, and flavorings. These additional ingredients play crucial roles in creating the perfect nugget. Water helps keep the meat moist during cooking. Binders ensure the nugget holds its shape, and flavorings ensure that savory taste we all know and love. The level of engineering in this process is truly remarkable. High-tech machinery grinds and blends the ingredients with pinpoint accuracy. Temperature controls are closely monitored to prevent bacterial growth and maintain food safety standards. It's a far cry from simply chopping up chicken breast. But that's just the beginning of the nugget's journey. This carefully crafted paste is now ready for the next step in the process. Up next, we'll see how this mixture transforms into those familiar nugget shapes you find in your McDonald's box. The shaping process is just as fascinating as the grinding, involving specialized equipment that turns this paste into perfectly formed nuggets. Get ready to dive deeper into the world of chicken nugget manufacturing. Think shaping a nugget is as simple as using a cookie cutter? Think again. The process that turns formless paste into those familiar shapes is a testament to modern food engineering. Get ready to see how McDonald's achieves nugget perfection on an industrial scale. The journey from chicken paste to perfectly formed nuggets is nothing short of fascinating. Once the carefully blended mixture is ready, it's fed into massive machines that handle the shaping process. These aren't just any machines. They're marvels of precision engineering designed specifically for creating McDonald's iconic nugget shapes. You might imagine the process is as simple as pressing a mold into the paste, but it's far more complex. The machines use specialized molds that create exact replicas of the nugget shapes we all know and love. Every single nugget that comes out of these machines is identical in size and shape. This uniformity is crucial for McDonald's, ensuring that customers get the same experience whether they're eating nuggets in New York or Tokyo. The level of precision in these machines is mind-boggling. They control not just the shape, but also the pressure and temperature of the forming process. These factors are carefully calibrated to achieve the perfect texture in each nugget. Too much pressure, and the nugget might be too dense. Too little, and it might fall apart during cooking. The temperature needs to be just right to maintain the consistency of the chicken mixture. But there's more to these nuggets than just their overall shape. Have you ever noticed the distinctive ridges and bumps on the surface of a McDonald's chicken nugget? Those aren't random. They're intentionally designed into the molds. These surface features serve a purpose beyond aesthetics. They help the breading adhere better in the next stage of the process, ensuring that crispy coating we all love. Throughout the shaping process, McDonald's maintains strict quality control. Each nugget is checked to ensure it meets the company's exacting standards for size and shape. Any nuggets that don't make the cut are removed from the line. This attention to detail is part of what makes McDonald's nuggets so consistent. You've seen how those perfectly shaped nuggets are formed, but that's just the beginning. What if I told you that the next step in the process is so intricate it involves not one, not two, but 3 separate coating stages? This multi-layer approach is the key to achieving that signature McDonald's crunch. Here's where McDonald's chicken nuggets really start to take shape, both literally and in terms of flavor. The formed nuggets move along a conveyor belt towards the battering station, ready for their transformation into golden, crispy bites. But it's not just one layer of batter that creates that perfect crunch you know and love. The nuggets actually go through a multi-step coating process that's carefully engineered to deliver the ideal texture and taste. You'd be amazed at the precision involved in this stage of production. First, the nuggets are dusted with a dry mixture. This initial coating helps the subsequent layers adhere better and adds to the overall crunch factor. The dry mix includes ingredients like wheat flour and cornstarch, which play a crucial role in achieving that crispy exterior. Next, the nuggets take a dip in a wet batter. This liquid coating adds moisture and helps create that satisfying crunch when you bite into a nugget. The wet batter is a carefully formulated blend that includes water and more of those crisp-making ingredients like flour and starch. But we're not done yet. After the wet batter, the nuggets receive a final coating of seasoned breading. This last layer is where much of the flavor magic happens. It's a mix that includes more wheat flour, yellow corn flour, and a blend of seasonings including salt and paprika extractives. This final coat not only adds more crunch but also gives the nuggets their distinctive golden brown color and savory taste. Believe it or not, this triple layer coating is what gives McDonald's nuggets their unique texture and flavor profile. Each layer serves a specific purpose, working together to create that satisfying crunch and taste that keeps customers coming back for more. The entire coating process is carried out using specialized industrial equipment. These machines ensure that each nugget receives a consistent amount of each coating, maintaining uniformity across large batches. It's this attention to detail and precision that allows McDonald's to deliver the same nugget experience in restaurants around the world. The coated nuggets are about to take a roller coaster ride of extreme temperatures. From a quick dip in sizzling oil to a plunge into sub-zero conditions, this next stage is where the magic really happens. But why go to such extremes? The answer lies in a delicate balance of science and flavor. You might think the nuggets go straight to the fryer at this point, but there's another crucial step in the process. The coated nuggets first go through what's called a par frying process. This quick fry isn't meant to cook them fully. Instead, it's all about setting the batter and giving the nuggets that signature golden color we associate with McDonald's. Here's how it works. The nuggets are submerged in hot oil at a temperature of about 340 degrees Fahrenheit, but they don't stay there long. In fact, they spend just 30 to 40 seconds in this sizzling bath. This brief encounter with heat is enough to partially cook the coating, creating that initial crispness we all love. But the journey doesn't end there. After their quick dip in the fryer, the nuggets take an unexpected turn. Instead of being packaged for shipping, they're quickly frozen. This flash freezing process is a key step in maintaining the quality of the nuggets during shipping. The temperature plummets to as low as minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, rapidly freezing the nuggets and locking in their flavor and texture. You might wonder why McDonald's goes to such lengths. This freezing process is crucial for ensuring that every nugget tastes the same, whether you're eating it in New York or Tokyo. It allows McDonald's to maintain strict quality control and food safety standards across their global network of restaurants. The frozen nuggets are then carefully packaged and sent to McDonald's restaurants worldwide. But the process isn't complete yet. When you order your chicken nuggets at a McDonald's restaurant, they undergo one final transformation. The frozen nuggets are given a final fry in the restaurant, cooking them thoroughly and restoring that crispy exterior. This combination of par frying, flash freezing, and final frying is what gives you that hot, crispy nugget you know and love. It's a process that's been carefully engineered to deliver consistent results every time. The next time you bite into a McDonald's chicken nugget, you'll know the complex journey it's been on to reach your tray.